What's up, y'all? Your boy JP here. Today we got a 2011 Honda Pilot, and we have a different issue. I was going to put a radio inside this vehicle, even though I told the client that this radio might not fit. I said I will give it a try just in case, and it turns out that I was right. But the thing is that I already taken the radio out, and when I put the key back in, it has that enter code thing at the top. And the reason we want to clear that is because the radio will not function until we enter that code. Over here to the manual. Hopefully you have some type of card in here, but this right here says radio, so that 21316, that is the radio code that we need to type in right here in order to get that cleared. Also, if you drop the glove box, there should be a sticker on one of these sides, and that top 5-digit number, that is the one that we want to type in. 21316.
Or is it when you top it all?
All right, y'all, so that was just a little quick tip for you guys. If you had a Honda and you already taken the radio out and want to put it back in, or maybe your battery died and your radio just reset it and you need to find the code, those are two places that you can look. Now, if you don't have that, you can call Honda, give them the VIN number, and then they will actually give you a number 2 call to where they can give you the reset code. Till next time, it's your boy JP signing out, hoping that everybody has a blessed day. Peace.